Great architect of the universe, we gather here today in the spirit of joy and brotherhood to mark a new chapter in the history of the Saigon Shrine Club. Lord, we ask for your blessings upon the Saigon Public Installation of Officers for Shrine Dome year 2026. We give thanks for the heritage of our order and for the noble mission that unite us, the care and support of those children who look to us for hope and healing.
Our dreams come alive. Our dreams come alive. We can be heroes and legends today, and nothing can stand in our way. Our dreams come alive. Our dreams come alive.
May they find satisfaction in their accomplishment and remain pillars of strength for this club. For the incoming officers, grant the newly elected officers the wisdom to lead with humility, the vision to inspire growth, and the energy to carry out their duties with zeal. May their hearts be filled with the true spirit of Shrine-Dom, where fun and philanthropy meet, and may they lead this club to new heights of success and harmony.
With deep humility, heartfelt gratitude, and a profound sense of responsibility, I stand before you tonight to accept the honor of serving as the President of Saigon Shrine Club for the Shrine-Dom year 2026.
Through highs and lows and every struggle, we scaled these walls.
Their courage humbles us.
Every struggle,
Their stories reminds us that hope can exist even in the difficult circumstances. Sa bawat batang may tahimik na paalala kung bakit mahalaga ang ginagawa ng bawat isang shrine. Fundraising tested our creativity, patience, and teamwork. We organize events, reach out to partners, and lean on one another. Every peso raised became a bridge from generosity to healing, from effort to impact. At kahit hindi palaging madali, tuloy pa rin dahil alam nating maraming umaasa. This journey was never walked alone, and I thank each and every one, especially to the officers and men, to the gentlemen of Saigon Shrine Club, to the members and to their families, to give their time and understanding. Your dedication turned into challenges into accomplishments. Maraming salamat po.
Installation is not just a matter of form. It is a solemn engagement under oath that one elected officer will serve selflessly, honorably, and in accord with principles of this order.